Baby.
Hey guys, what's going on? We're back here, and it's our day 2 in Japan. So we're back here in Japan. It's our day 2, and we just finished eating this noodles and some
Because it's
bread
cold too.
and some rice because we're not allowed to eat inside. So if you wanna check my wife's blog, it's gonna be on the link down
On
in
your
the description.
YouTube too.
Huh?
On your YouTube too.
あとまず金を破った。
Finally, after a years of waiting, I'm able to see what's inside in APiT. It's also known as AUTOBACS, but they have a new shop here. It's APiT SHiNONOME. So I've been waiting for so long to go to Japan and see APiT, ASM, Spoon, some other brands. So yeah, today's the good day. Wow, they even have a motorcycle shop nearby. Oh, I think that's a Dahon bike. I used to have that. No? No, it's not a Dahon. It's a different brand. Sowi. Want to check what's in the parking lot for now. See how Japanese build their cars. Oh, I want this. Can I borrow that? Damn, this is a clean IS 200. I like this. Really like this. So clean. Let's see what we'll find here. Yes. This is my first time in this shop. It's Candyland for big boys like me. Old guys like me. Damn, can't wait. Today is February 8th. Is it February 8th today? What date is today? February 8th, 2024. We're gonna see what's inside in APiT SHiNONOME. Yes. Oh, we have to go to the left side. They said that I have to go to the third floor.
10%.
Look at this, eh?
Wheels, the wheels.
Yeah, that's Nardi. Okay.
So,
Oh, Ian, you want this, right? I'm not sure what do you want. Maybe this HKS or Cusco.
call him.
I'll call him later. Damn, there's a lot of good shit here. Oh shit. Ito yung,
What's that? Oh, GR.
no, Nismo
Oh,
and GTR.
GTR.
NSX.
What's your fees? What?
Not in there. Toyota. Subaru. Oh, wait. What is this? Is it a keychain? I want this. I want this keychain.
Sit.
Yeah, keychain. Look, that's a cool one. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Damn, that's so nice.
Got 10% off.
I'll get one. Just not sure what.
Color red.
I don't know yet. Well, let's go to the third floor first and pick up the part that I ordered. I have a surprise for you guys. I've been hiding this for a few months. I've been speaking with APiT SHiNONOME, and I ordered a few goodies for our GR86 for our project. We're gonna pick it up in the third floor. Okay, let's go. So, wait, anak. Daddy's shopping around. I don't know. Yeah, I saw that. Oh, they have Lee here. Look, Lee, Filipino brand. Yun, Lee pipes. See? Lee. This is where the part of the store that I'm gonna get robbed. Like literally robbed. Sorry, baby. Daddy have some time for today. Yes. Look at this shit, man. Oh shit. I'm so happy. I'm only watching this in YouTube every time. Damn. Ah, shit. I can't breathe. I'm so excited. Oh, this is my 2017 WRX engine back then. I don't know what year is this, but this is the FA20, not the 24. And Blitz. What is this? Exhaust. A lot of exhaust. Cusco. A lot of brands that I don't know. It's just here. I might get this. Barris. You know, cheap knob. They're cheap, bro. Bro, they're cheap here. So cheap. Okay. Let me sit to Recaro first. There's a Recaro down there. I don't like Bride. No offense, but not my thing. Map, this one is not good. Good looking. I like this color. Yeah, we can. Why not? Oh, SR7, but I don't like the stitching. No touch. Don't touch. Maps, maybe I should. Damn, they're cheap here. They're cheap here. How much is this? Only 1.3. Almost 1.2. Huh? Lights? Yeah, I seen that in videos. But they don't have Nardi, only Momo. they have the goodies here. Nardi. No personal? No personal. Only deep corn. Nothing in here. Let's talk to them. Don't cut it, okay? Nasa isang phone? Ano isang phone? Oh, anak, wait lang ha. Wait, anak. Oh, they have this blackout thing. I might change mine. See, this one is carbon fiber. Look, remember I burned mine?
Yeah.
Maybe I should change it. Nismo. All the good shit are here. Patuloy mo muna, Maps. Works bell. Quick release.
Possible quick release.
Yeah, I order a lot of stuff. Hang on.
GR86.
Yeah.
GR86.
GR86.
86.
Yeah.
86 quick release.
Lot of stuff. I ordered this. They told me to come here. I already speak with them online. Maybe that one. How's this one? 8P, right? My name is yeah.
Oh.
Hey,
Okay.
hey. I came from Canada, so latest. Yeah,
4 pot, 6 pot,
6 spot.
6 pot.
Yeah,
Front.
front. Yeah. Maps. Video mo. Sige. Hello, Pong. I'm here now, Pong.
Ay, what's that?
Huh? Unless we break it. Hello, Pong. I'm here. I told you I'm here. Hi, Maps. Hi. Hi, fans. Okay.